How to add CSS on Visual Studio Code. If you want to write a code and use CSS for making it more attractive, then follow these instructions. First, make sure that you have downloaded Visual Studio Code on your device. After that, click on search bar and open Visual Studio Code. Now you can see different options here. On the left side, click on this last option, which is extensions, and on the search bar type in HTML. Now make sure to install this HTML CSS support. It will enable you to write CSS or HTML code on Visual Studio Code, and after that click on your folder and open a new file. And to name your file, make sure to add .css extension on the back and click on enter. Write in your code on this tab here and make sure to link it to your HTML code to properly run it. So this is how you can add CSS on Visual Studio Code. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.